Some people are not able to. Okay, my dears, let the hello. Are you able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no. You can tell your friends confidently to look at the YouTube work, because through YouTube also once again it seems the transmission got interrupted. He corrected it. Let your people go forward, seeing that if they are not able to come online here. Okay, then we'll go back to our lesson. I was telling you something about rounding off. Then let us go for looking at one thing here. Rounding off, you understood, my dear. Finally, after rounding off, we want to see even number. If already even number is there, don't disturb it. If odd number is there, add 1 to it. This story comes only when the number to be dropped is 5. As long as it is greater than 5, simply add 1 to the previous number. If it is less than 5, drop it. But don't worry, don't try to memorize a lot thinking that lot of information is on. Nothing. When we solve 2-3 problems, we'll get confidence. We'll come to it. Then I want to tell you one more thing here. You are asked to multiply these two, please see. Rather than writing now, concentrate on understanding, so that anyhow our problem solving work is in front of us. 2.3 you have to multiply with, say, 1.7142 into 6. Actually, you are asked to multiply 3 digits like this. Then you know, out of the 3 numbers, the least number of digits are 1, they are in 6. Am I right? Only one significant digit is there. Whenever one significant digit happens to be the least number of significant figures in a number, you must round off the others also to number of significant figures 1 greater than least. Now least is 1 only. Just your thing, you must round off the things to 1 greater than 1, that is to 2, which means that you have to think this one in this style. 2.3, my dear, in 2.3 already 2 significant digits are there. We are planning to round off to 2 significant digits only, so 2.3 remains unaffected into 1.7142. Totally it has 5 significant digits, but I told you just now you have to round off these to 2 significant digits only. Think that becomes 1.7. Am I right? Because after 7, that 1 is less than 5, I am dropping it into 6. Now you please multiply independently. Tell me the answer. Let us see how much you are getting. By your ordinary method of multiplication, you do the job and tell me the answer. Flash your answer through our chat window. You must be ending up with the answer 23.46. Some people here were giving me the right answer, 23.46. But you know, after getting that, if you are asked to express your answer, tuning that to required number of significant digits, no, again you must bring back your answer to least number of significant digits. How many least number of significant digits are there? Only 1. Out of the individuals, 1. So you must express this in 1 significant digit. The minute you are asked to do it in 1, the problem appears, sir, what should I do? How you want me to write 23.46 rounding off to 1 significant digit, please? How you go for writing it? Because if I write it as 21, it becomes 2 significant digits. Simply if I write it as 20, it is okay. It is 1 significant digit only, no. The right 0 need not be taken into account. So please remember, if you multiply the things in this manner, you encounter this situation. And I told you, don't worry, no need of mechanically copying. We are here to solve some problems. Now, one person said, come on, divide 17.47 with 3.1. The very first job you have to do is, least number of significant digit value is there in the denominator. The significant digits here are 2. Here the significant digits are 4. Whether it is your multiplication or division, the technique is you round off the terms to number of digits 1 greater than least number. Least number is 2. 1 greater than 2 means 3. Then how you want me to write the top one? Shall I write the numerator as 17.5 please? My dear, if I round off the top one to 3 significant digits, the 7 is greater than 5, no? You have to add 1 to the previous number, no? 17.5 by 3.1. Of course, something you will get. The value will be something 17.5 by 3.1. Better go for doing that division and tell me the answer please by ordinary methods only. No need of anything like calculator, nothing. Just go for using your ordinary methods. Go for dividing 17.5 with 3.1. You end up with 5.645 like that. When you get 5.645, your answer should have how many significant digits now? 2. Least number of significant digits to 2. Then if you round off this to 2, your answer becomes, after rounding off, 5.6 only, because that 4 is less than 5. Happily you drop it. 5.6 please. Is it okay? But it is not just in now hearing. Don't worry and don't feel tension. We are going to solve. That is the only thing that we have in mind. This is about rounding off the value of the answer, either in case of multiplication or division. Now let me go for talking about something. I will rub off the screen, then I will tell you like this. One fellow said 13.735 added to 0.43 and 540, simply 541.6. The minute you are asked to solve this problem, it is addition. Least number of significant digits are 2 here, sir. 2. Whereas here it is 4. Here it is 5. Our technique is one thing. Before starting the operation, you must round off the digits to 1 greater than least number, which means that the least significant figures are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. You should have 3 here. When I want 3 here, I will put one line like this, that 3 less than 5, it will be dropped. I will treat that as 13.7 only. This anyhow is 0.43. I am writing one below the other for addition. This has 4. I should write like this. When I should draw a line like this, that 6 is also greater than 5. So, shall I treat that as 542? 542. I am taking like that because the significant digits will become 3. Now you please go for adding in the ordinary method. If you do that, this is 3, this is 11, this is 6, this is 5, this is 5. 556.13. But what we said, our final answer should have how many significant digits? 2 only. When you say, sir, the answer, but of course, when addition is going on, no, please go for remembering one thing. I should tell you one extra thing. Actually, the best thing is, no, not that. I will tell you one thing. I want to tell you this much. Let me come back to the story in the reverse order. I'll go for talking about this. When you are dealing with addition or subtraction, look at number of significant digits after decimal. After decimal, how many minimum number of significant digits are there? Only 1. 541, it has 1 after decimal. Whereas it has 2 after decimal. It has 3 after decimal. The best job during addition subtraction is writing the number of digits after decimal. 2 plus 1, 3. This is no minimum or one only one. So you must add only one more. So don't disturb 541.6 because it has one digit, one significant figure after decimal. This should have two. Second one you must round up these to 2. Already 2 are there. 0.43 means after decimal 2 are there, no problem. The other should also have 2. When I say 2 after decimal, how should I write it, sir? 13.73. You know 5 is something. When the previous one is odd, no, I should add 1, no. I should write that as 574. My dear, am I right? We talked about one rule. You have to add 1 to the previous number, previous digit, preceding digit, if it is 5. So, please go ahead. What answer you are getting? Let us see. 7, 11, 6, 17, 1, it is 5, it is 5, it is 5. In your answer, after decimal, only one digit should be there. So, it should be 555.8. Is it okay? Same methodology you have to follow in case of subtraction also. Say you are asked to subtract 13.735 minus 1.43 is there. Then what you are going to do? It is subtraction. After decimal, how many digits are there here? Significant figures 2. You must go for putting the other also with 2 plus 1. Already 2 plus 1, 3 are there. So 13.735, don't disturb it. From this you subtract 1.43. Then what is your answer? It is 5, it is 0, it is 3, it is 12, 12.305. But once again you must bring back the digits after decimal to 2 only. Then shall I say that my answer is 12 point, you tell me, sir, what should I do? If 5 is there after 0, what should I do? There is one big doubt. Previous number even or odd? 0, previous one. Shall I have to go for calling it as even or odd? Simply you go for adding 1 when 0 is there. So your answer is 12.31. Okay, it is not the worry about the answer, but how it will be. Now if we start working out with small numericals based on what we have studied, for arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction, the rule is common. You have to look at the number of significant figures after decimal. Whereas in multiplication and division, the total number of significant digits you have to take into account. And I talked about scientific method where quantities are written as something into 10 power. Then order of magnitude we can decide. If you have understood this much, how it will be if we start looking at some problems, please. I will type one thing. Don't worry, you need not have written anything by this time. No, heavens not fall. The thing is, while solving problems only, we will understand theory clearly. I am writing like this. A stick has a length of 12.132 centimeter and another stick has a length of 12.4 centimeter. Then a bit. If two sticks are placed end to end, find total length. My dear, please don't leak your answer. Hold on. B. Of course, taking significant figures into account. If two sticks are placed side by side, what is the difference in their lengths? Come on, These two try to answer, taking significant digits into account, do that job. The 12.132 has how many digits, my dear? Totally significant digits are? No, somebody is giving answer in a hurried way, quite wrong answer. Lakshmi Priya, check your answer. Don't be in a hurry, my dear. It's a small idea. 12.132, totally it has 5 digits. But after decimal, 3 digits are there. In 12.4, after decimal, 1 digit is there. For addition, what we said, you have to round off the 2 such that they should have at least, after decimal, you can have 2. So 12.13, I will write like this. Is it okay? The next one is 12.4. Simply add. So what is the answer? It is 24.53 centimeter I am getting. After writing this, you must round off. While rounding off, in your answer, there should be only one significant figure after decimal. The answer should be 24.5 centimeter. Okay. Lakshmi Priya, now correct, of course. I don't know why the others are not speaking. Okay, that is A bit. Now let us look at the B bit. You have to subtract, same job, but this time 12.4 being bigger, I will write at the top. 12.13 being smaller, I will write below. So the answer is the answer correct for Bhattacharya Rishi? It is 7. It is 2, correct? It is 0. 0.27 centimeter I am getting. But how should I round off? My answer should be rounded off to one significant digit after decimal. So the answer should be 0.3 centimeter. Is it so, Adish Kurdukar? You have written 0.2. No, that 7 is greater than 5. No. You have to add 1 to the previous. Okay, don't worry. Now I am not here to comment or criticize. It is all learning process. But let us be honest. Oh, this is the thing. Why can't you try the other one, please? Shall I go for rubbing off this? Then you go for solving this problem. This is how slowly we will be learning. Let us see what you do. Come on, please. Mass, volume are given. They are asking you to calculate density. But of course, significant figures you have to take into account. Let us see what you do. While dividing or multiplying, you must take care of significant digits. The least number of significant digits are 2. They are in 1.2. The other should be rounded off to 3. Already only 3 are there, so nothing you have to do. 5.74 by 1.2, do that. Then how much you are getting? it is as good as 57.4 by 12, right? 12 fours are 48. If it is 48, 994. 12 sevens are 84. Then 10 100. 12 eights are 96. Right, 40, 12 threes. This is how I'm getting, my dear. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, something I'm getting, but I stopped with this. So many grams per cc. But you must round off your answer to totally how many significant digits? Only to 2. So is the answer coming to 4.8? Is it not, my dear? That 8 is greater than 5. Add 1 to the previous number. So it is 4.8 grams per cc. Am I right? That is the answer for this. Okay, then why can't you go for trying another? I'm typing here. The question goes like this. Come on, please. Use your high school knowledge. Enough. What is the formula for circumference? It is 2 pi r, no? 2 pi r. It is 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.6. Write that much first. It is 2 into, it is 3.2171, 1 and 30. Am I right? This is how I am getting into 2.6. Because this is multiplication, the total number of significant, minimum number of significant digits, 2.6. I know some people will argue, sir, 2. Wrong. Because the 2 is a constant. It is not obtained by measurement. So such values you can't. So it is 2.6 only. 2.6 is the only thing. Nothing to disturb here. Then if you want, see that 3 digits will appear in this. Forget about this in 3.14. Actually, this pi value is something very, very, very long. You must be knowing. So many digits will come after pi without becoming 0. So better 3 significant figures you write in this pi value into 2. Come on, multiply and tell me the answer, my dears.
16.33.
Sir, 16.33.
Okay.
16.3.
You must be getting.
Sir, 16.33.
16.328.
It should be 328 according to your multiplication. So many centimeter. But in your answer, how many digits should be there?
1.
It should be
My dear, radius is having how many significant digits?
2.
1. 2.
Your answer should have 2. Then how much answer I should write? 16, sir. Okay. No, anybody with any doubt?
Sir, I do not understand, sir.
No, that is what I said, my dear. Out of 3 you have taken, This 2 is constant, pi is constant, only variable part that is measured value is 2.6. That
Yeah.
radius 2.6 has how many digits, my dear? 2.
2.
When radius has minimum number of significant digits 2, your answer also should be rounded off to 2 significant figures.
Yes, sir.
When I want to do it, I will draw one line like this 3 being less than 5, I should drop it. So answer happens to be
Okay,
6
okay.
centimeter.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Okay, okay. No, don't worry. But first of all, I feel happy if you clarify. Then then only slowly you will be evolving like confident people, and excellently will be answering the numerical problems. Then let me go for talking about this. The next one. Better take this one. Come on, try this one. What is surface area of sphere?
Pi r square. 4 pi r square.
4 r square.
Exactly. 4 pi r square. It
Yes,
is
sir.
4 into 22 by 7 into, of course, radius square. I'll go for writing this as diameter by 2 whole square. Then this becomes 4.24 whole square divided by 4. Happily, this 4 we cancel off. Then our pi value 3 point, how much we said, sir? 3.142. Of course, now it has 4 significant digits. Our thing is having 3 only, so you can round off to this, correct? 4.24. Of course, I should say, not that it is difficult, but definitely it is time taking. You multiply and tell me the value, sir. Something you must be getting like this. So many area units are square centimeter, centimeter square. Oh, sorry, it is not centimeter square, it is meter square. Radius is given in meters, no? Meter square. Then your answer should have how many digits? 3. 3 digits. It should have 3 only, na? Because 4.24 you said. So obviously your answer will be 56 point. Tell me. If it is 3, this 8 is greater than this. So 56.5 meter square. Am I right? 56.5 meters square. Okay. Why can't you try another place? Take one more. Come on, please. Is it 6a square?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
It is 6 into 7.203 into 7.203. My dear, that 6 is a number. Each number of significant digits you need not have to take. Measurable quantity is minimum significant digits. Both are same only. Come on, you have to multiply. There is no other way. Something meter square we are getting. But our answer should have how many significant digits? 4 only. 4 only means that fifth one onwards it should be blocked. It is 311.3, correct. Right. Now, students, it seems they are able to catch up. They are giving out the right answers. Okay. Then look at that B part. It is volume. Once again, volume we know is a cube for a cube. So 7.203 into 7.203 into 7.203, there is no way out. So you must round off your answer to 4 significant digits only. Obviously, the answer should be 373.7 meter cube. Correct. Shall I rub up this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go for other place. The next one. Come on, please. No, Chirag Agarwal, check your answer. When you are adding, you have to look at the digits after decimal. The least is 1. So I should go for 0.75 as it is. 2 accepted. Then 2.13 I should write like that. After decimal 2 accepted. It is 15.6 as it is. Now if you add 8, 4 is 8, it is 1. This is what some people are flashing. No, no, my dear. Your answer should have, again in the answer, only one significant digit should be there now. It should be 18. After decimal, only 1. 5 meter. Is it okay, Chirag? Okay, okay. No, it's all right. Just, small things, slowly, slowly we feel that, oh, we are able to solve. Take the next. Be taking significant figures into account. Lakshmi Priya went wrong. Okay. Okay, Chirag correct. Okay, Rishi correct. Okay, very good. All right. Right. It is coming to 19.1 only. You're right. Then why can't you take the next one, please? Come on, please. Let us see what you do. Am I right? Because here it is diameter square by 4. Diameter is 0.25 centimeter, my dear. All should be in the same units now. So it should be 2.5. Two significant digits are there. So in pi also 3 significant digits is sufficient. You have to take this as 3.14. 0.25 into 0.25 into 2.5 divided by 4. This is how it is coming. 3.14, we know 25, 25s are 625. It is 0.625, no? It is 0.0625 into 2.5 by 4. This is how I'm getting. Then we'll continue here then. Centimeter square. But my answer, how many digits should be there? Only 2 significant digits are expected. So my answer should be 0.12 centimeter square only. Oh, sorry, not centimeter square. Wrong. It is volume, my dear. Centimeter cube. CC. Correct. You are right. You are calculating the volume part now. Volume should be in centimeter cube now. So your answer should be expressed in cubic centimeter. CC. Centimeter cube. Over. Okay. Anyhow, one thing is true. Yesterday, some people were complaining about they not receiving something. I remembered this gentleman Agarwal was telling me something. Am I right? Has he received? Some friends were in a position. Chirag Agarwal. Some friends were forwarding. Has he received now? Oh, you have received. That's good. Receiving is one part, of course, but you have to go for practice is another part. Then shall I expect that you have done the job? Do you people have any queries there to make? But of course, I know without telling you something about significant figures, in the name of, if I remember, under 2C name, that was sent to you, one more file. But I give you one small suggestion. You know, probably all of you may be having computers, laptops, maybe more than one also. That is not a big issue. But now for our present study, all the time computer will not help because somehow unexpectedly holidays have come. We are sitting in front of the system, we are doing some work. But I advise you to do like this. These assignment parts which were sent to you, including that reading material on measurements, dimensions, all that, please take a printout, preserve in your notebook, happily give a reading, and be sure that you have understood something. Because, okay, Mr. Rohan was also asking, why has he not received? My dear, the minute you come back to school, your first job is tomorrow come with a confident email address, give that, because once if it is sent as a mass mail, our people will send. They will just, copy and paste all your email addresses at one place, they will send it. If some of you are not sending, either our people might have noted yours wrongly or you have given wrongly. One of these two must have happened. So anyhow, the minute we open, we'll give a print so that you can check your emails and you can say that yes, mine is right. Then On the spot itself, you can open your, mail and you can see the inbox. No, it should not be a problem throughout the year. And moreover, here people are coming with different names. A common ID from the school point of view should be there. Then there won't be any problem. Okay, I suggested these things to our computer people. They said individual IDs were given to you. Probably you may not be knowing or you may not be using them. Every student of DPS have got their own individual ID. Not that all people have different IDs. Oh, Lakshmi Priya is aware of it. Good. Anyhow, with that you have to go for using your, okay, maybe learn beyond or learn beyond limits. That's okay. Then, the thing is, for 12th people, to be frank, because sufficient number of lessons are over, and moreover they have completed their 11th class altogether one academic year. Your seniors, of course, today I have sent totally 15 mails. Each 15 mails with 240 pages information. The 240 pages information contains around 1000 numericals, right, so that they can work chapter wise. Reading material they have, some illustrated examples they have, some exercises they have. But in your case, I did not do that. Hardly we are completing one, and moreover, as you are seeing here, much of the people are not getting involved, and your email addresses hardly half dozen to 7 or 8 are known to our people, and still people like Rohan Vyas are saying that they are not receiving. So in that way there is some problem somewhere. We'll certify these things, but I personally advise you to do one thing. May not be, of course, our 11th syllabus, hardly one lesson. We may not be having extensive work to do. But first of all, develop this attitude. And really, if you are serious always, the previous strong foundation helps you for the present. Keeping that in mind, you people, better, I advise you to do one more thing, Why can't you people go for using our 10th class? Let me hope that you all have your 10th class textbooks with you. Shall I hope? You have not donated your books to somebody?
No, sir.
No, by chance, if you are at home and if you have given your books to your own brothers and sisters, no issue. Better you take them. I'm sure students not having a good foundation at their 10th class, they experience music in 11th class. So you better open those books, one topic after the other, not just casually reading like a newspaper. Prepare notes of your own on every chapter, because this type of homework is given to your seniors also, of course. Every day they have to read some information we are sending. For you people who are not sending, simply I am asking you to open your NCERT book, prepare a small notes of your own. At the end you come across numerical problems, you please solve them. Once if you do that, and moreover, depending on the total number of lessons, you have to put a target. Because in the total month of May, you are finding approximately 30-day holidays. Total number of chapters divided by 30, you do it. What is the right number, and is it possible for you to accommodate all the topics? Please see. But by chance, if you feel that, no, sir, for every day 5 chapters I am getting, I can't do it. Better for every day 1 or 2 only you do it, but do it thoroughly. That way, once if you do it with your, kinematics part and dynamics part, I'm sure you have something like work power energy, you have something like properties of matter, where you study properties of fluids, fluid mechanics, and about, heat, maybe thermal expansion, transmission of heat. These lessons must be there in your syllabus. I'm sure gravitation also may be there in between, rotatory motion should be there. So once if you brush up those things one after the other through this 1 month, not that I'm not asking you to play all that, but since it is too hot, daily at least the total morning session you can spend for academic work, the evening work you can do something of your choice without sitting in front of, Facebooks or some other books are there, in front of net, sitting and wasting your time. If you do that, I'm sure we'll see more bright faces the minute schools reopen. So as such, I'm sure Math sir is planning to send something to you, right? Probably Chemistry sir might have sent something else, I don't know. Already sent?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So you have enough homework to do. Do that, and I'm sure we'll meet our good and bright students with all energies when schools reopen. Thank you. We meet again. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Happy holidays, sir.
Fine. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my dear.
Rohan, did you receive chemistry one?
Hey, nothing I got. His mail is not working. Nothing is coming.
Rohan, anything came for your assignments?
Sachin,
What? Arey, yeah, Sachin. Arey,
send us mails, man.
the material.
Listen, guys. We have a this thing right for holiday homeworks. Click here. Check out that one.
Arey,
Yeah,
holiday
photos.
homeworks I got, re bhai.
Uh,
Arey, we
There,
didn't
new
complete.
holiday books uploaded.
Arey, we didn't get physics assignments, reading material.
you didn't get those. You
You
didn't.
got?
Yes, I did. I got it in my father's mail.
I got in my mail only.
Sachin, can you forward me?
I'll take money.
Forward it.
Lol.
Okay, chalta.
How much?
Arey, I ordered this one. I can't believe it.
100 rupees per page.
That is good.
10 rupees.
What? 100 rupees per page.
For attachment.
10
You
rupees.
want to become Ambani or what in one day?
Ambani look like Bambani in front of me. I'm telling now only.
Aha.
Okay, you people put your email IDs on chat. I'll send off.
I gave you my email ID.
Arey, I don't know, right? It'll be lost somewhere.
Typing it.
Again, I will send you.
Send now then.
Rishi, I will send you also.
No, I'm just open over here.
Rishi,
Yeah, what?
I will send you also my email ID.
Send.
Your name, your full name is what? Rishi? Bhattacharjee?
Yeah.
Okay.
I sent re bhai Sachin.
हाँ देख लिया.
Sachin, see
Rohan,
my
if you get, you send me. Okay. If I get, I'll send you. Rohan,
Sachin.
मिला.
Okay, fine.
mine? Sachin, you got mine?
I didn't get yours.
Srinivas,
No, I got Adish and Rohan.
I will send you again.
Sachin, when did you get chemistry work?
Chemistry का नहीं मिला. I got only this thing maths.
Maths
Arey,
and physics.
This physics homework finished now. Nothing else now.
They gave you a few problems.
I gave a document only, no, few documents they have given.
2 documents, I suppose.
Okay,
Two or
what?
3.
Send it to my mail, Sachin.
I sent you. Check it out.
Hey, कहाँ भेज रहा है? In chat window.
No, in your personal.
Person.
I have to open my personal chat and see here.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay then. Thanks.
Good. Happy holidays, guys.
Happy
Enjoy.
holidays, Rishi.
Thank you, bro.
Happy holidays, Rohan.
Yeah. Please do holiday homework and send it to me also.
Number for you also. What?
We'll charge that. 100 rupees per page for Rohan. Exclusive offer.
Arey, somewhere 50% discount, 50 per page.
That's what. First it was 200 rupees. After summer discount, 50% off, it became 100 rupees.
Okay.
Rohan, I sent you 7 attachments. I'm expecting 700 rupees now.
I don't have free charge. I'm sorry.
Who said you to do free charge?
I don't have free charge.
Currency, bro. We need currency.
Hard cash.
Anyway. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Bye. Happy holidays.
Bye, all of you. Happy holidays.
Sachin, by what time will you be sending it?
Arey, he sent it na re.
You send mine also, Sachin?
I'm sending the second part, physics part.
Okay. Thanks. I'm leaving. Bye, Rohan. Happy holidays.
Bye.
Happy
Yeah.
holidays. Bye bye.